Hello again, friends. A new video from the same old series, Free Fixing for Friends. And today I'm gonna try to recover some data, or better call it a resuscitation of an old desktop computer. And this is Fujitsu Esprimo E7936 stars. My god, what a name. That's the guy. Fujitsu DT70 something, I don't know. Anyway, Esprimo. That's an Esprimo. So what's happening with this one? It's trying to boot, it's trying to starting up, but nothing happens. So let's see what we can do. We need a power cable first of all. Okay, so I think we have a display out. That's good. I can use that one. The fan is working. It's trying to boot up, but nothing. It's effectively clogged. Effectively. It's not dirty. It's impossible dirty. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see what we got there. How can I take this out? Okay, so the case is open. It was a mess because the computers have a kind of locking here. Of course, I don't have the key, so I have to drill all the things. It's a boring something anyway. So the top it's out. The top it's going out this way on the front. This is the front, you see, with CD, ROM and so on. Now, let's see about the RAM memory. This is the main suspect, if I may say. We just take this and put it in the front. Okay, so there's the hard disk. It's looking like we have a SSD hard drive here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, here we have the RAM. So it's very a lot of dirt there, of course. A lot of dirt, dust and so on. Let's not forget the way they've been installed. So there was this slot and the other one, the externals. Okay, so these are 2 giga, made 2017. Alright, let's clean this. Okay, what about this guy? Oh man, is this any? It's looking like liquid damage. Easy way of cleaning this because there are a lot of little parts there, so you can easily scrap them out. Let's have it back. The extremes. Push it gently until it's locking, and we are good here. What else? As long as we are here, let's clean everything. Okay, this is contact spray. That's good. I don't see any other liquid damage, or this is good. Oh, we don't need this one. It's in the air anyway. Oh, the CD-ROM is not connected. Okay, so just let me have this back. Doing nothing. Like this. Alright. What about this guy? I want to take this out. It's the display adapter. Or is it a video card? I think it's just a adapter of some sort. What is this? A kind of video card? possible. Okay. In fact, what I'm doing now, I'm trying to reset all the components, and then we'll see what's happening. I think this is good here. Let's tie a little bit the screws first. You see, I want to check the processor to fit it back and eventually to clean the fan and the heatsink itself. Okay, almost nothing there. What the? Can you believe this? What we got here? This is an Intel something. We'll see it later. But for now, let me have all this dirt out of the way. Let's check the capacitors. You know, they are looking good. I don't see any problem there. Now, let's open this guy up here. Alright. What the? What is this? Intel Core 2 Duo SLB9. Okay, it's a CUDA 3 gigahertz. Okay. Good to you. Looking good, sitting well. Oh, this is really dirty. So let's clean this. You may say, why I'm cleaning before checking for functionality. I hate to work, or at least to have this dirty things around. If it's working, it's okay. If it's not working, it's okay. No problems. Anyway, I have to dismantle everything. Let me take this down. Anyway, I suspect a power supply problem, but that shouldn't be a problem because I have a replacement in between my stuffs. Shouldn't be any problemos. See dirt inside there? Not so much, but it's black. You know why? Because this computer works in a restaurant. I can even feel the smell of burned oil. Okay, that should be enough. That's about this guy. Shall we open? Yeah, why not? Yeah, here we have the, you know, that little, okay, here is the washer. We should take this out. And there she goes. Or it goes. Better said. You know, I'm taking this out because it's easier to clean everything. Oh, we have a we have bearings. Can you believe that? It's so cute. Look at this guy. Beautiful. Okay, let's clean it. Oh man, like I told you, it's oil, effectively. Some alcohol. No more alcohol. Perfect. Nice and clean. This is really dirty. Yeah, but now it's clean. Like new. Oh man. Ooh. It's sticky. Luckily, it's easy to dissolve this in alcohol This is isopropylic alcohol, which is doing an excellent job. Like that. Yeah, looking good. Oil, of course. Bright new. Now we got to have this washer back in place. Oh yeah. And let's have the sticker back. Little protection. I don't know, but I have the feeling that this wasn't touched by anyone. It's looking like. So, this is the right positioning. Yes, this is so funny. So, one of the screws is shorter. And that should be down there. That is nuts. That's amazing. What a prick. Strange engineering. Yeah. Of course. This one goes here. I expect that, but I didn't exactly realize which is shorter. Interesting. Perfect. Okay. Kind of dirty. It's sticking. Let's go further. Let's put these things back in the case. This is nice, clean. What about this guy? Well, I'm not touching that because that's not, how can I say, it's not connected. Oh, almost forgetting about having the thermal paste. That should be fine. Let me spread it a little bit. Come on, what's wrong with you? Is that kind of hard? Can't believe it. Can't believe it. Yeah, it's old. So, this is goodbye. Good enough. Okay. Now, the final touch. Let me have this and do a proper contact spray. Hello, it's looking good. Let's put this back. I didn't check the BIOS battery. Amazing good. Funny. The battery is back in place. Here I have my little camera. Position it on the screen. And yeah, let's go to HDMI 2 and power on. Fans are spinning. Pam pam. It's working. Okay. F1. F1. Here we go. What? Come on. There we go. Diskette error. Preparing to boot. Press F1. I did F1. There you go. Yeah. Come on up. Come on up. It's not boot. Oh. Loading Windows. Beautiful. Loading Windows. Pum pum. And it's working. Yes, sir. It's working. Yeah, it's working. It's booting. And it's quiet. Very quiet. And this is nice. I suspected a power supply problem, but it's not. So finally, I'm not exactly sure what was it here. Maybe the display port, maybe the processor, maybe the RAM memory was the problem. Anyway, it's booting and it's up and ready to duty again. Nothing left for me but to clean the front fan and probably the power supply fan, as long as I'm here, and that's it. Another happy friend. Until the next one, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button, doesn't cost you anything, write your comments down, and of course don't forget, have fun. See you soon. Bye bye.